how to turn on or turn off grammar check and spell check in GBoard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we now go down and tap on general management. Then tap on GBoard settings. After that, tap on corrections and suggestions. In the spelling and grammar section, you can turn on or switch off spell check. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or off. And for grammar check, you can also switch it on or off here. Then if you go back to an app here, if you make a spelling mistakes, it should show a red underline. If you make a grammar mistake, it should show a blue underline like this one here. The blue underline is the grammar mistakes and the red one is a spelling mistake. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.